How to grow on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can grow on Instagram. So basically to grow on Instagram, you need three things. First of all, a theme, an algorithm, and thirdly, consistency, okay? So first of all, you're going to need a theme for your page. So as you can see, I have my page over here, and my page is solely drum related, okay? So there's a lot of drums, there's a lot of drumming going on, drums here, drums here, drums here, there's drums here, drum covers everywhere. So, there's just consistently drum covers. So, there's a drum theme going on. See? So I have followed a whole drummer theme. So you're going to want to follow a theme for yourself. Now, once you follow that theme, you're going to need to go according to the algorithm. So whatever's more in nowadays, you're going to go with that. So let's see. So there's, songs like Are You Mine by Arctic Monkeys. This was pretty famous, so I made a cover on this. Change by the Deftones was pretty famous, so I made a cover on this. As It Was very famous back in the day, so I made a cover on that. Then Black Hole Sun by Soundgarden was pretty famous. I made a cover on that. So, just keep on going with the algorithm, and you're gonna obviously start going more. Obviously, you need to be more consistent with your uploads as well. So just keep on doing that as well. And whatever upload of yours gets more views and recognition, do make sure to repost that every now and then so it can get you more recognition. So yeah, that's how you can grow more on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.